Hello and welcome back to another DIY video. Today we're going to be working on my 2010 Mercedes GLK 350. We are going to be changing out the air intake air ducts. I think this is what this is called. Mine are cracked. But before we get started, make sure you give me that thumbs up to help with the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel on the bottom right hand corner right here, and then we'll get started here in just a moment. So before we get started on removing this, I believe this is going to be the only tool we're going to need. It's just a little plastic pry pick tool. You can get this at obviously Harbor Freight, they're very cheap. But let's get started. I'm going to take this off. You don't have to do this, I just like to take mine off so I have a little bit more space, but there's two grommets right here. Pull, pull. Alright, now just give this a pull. Next, you're to get that little pick tool. There's a little lever right here. So use your pick tool. Try to get it in this inner part right here. Just kind of lift it up. And while you're lifting up, I need to put the camera down, but while you're lifting up, kind of get it off like that. I'm going to put the camera down though. Wiggle it up. Okay. And you notice mine right there is cracked. It's well, it's not even cracked, it's ripped. Put this off to the side. That's what that looks like. I'm going to take it over to the floor to show you. Alright, so what I'm doing right now is I'm just comparing my replacement part with my OEM part. Again, mine is completely ripped. That's why I am replacing it. Let's go back up to the top. So now we're back up top. On this end right here, you'll notice there's a tab right here and there's a tab right under here as well. I can move it so you can see it. Tab right there, tab right there. We just want to make sure this outer housing fits onto that replacement item. Just kind of line it up. Whoops. Let's see. I want to make sure it's on the right way, of course. Just heard a click in place. It's back on. Alright, cover back on. And that, my friends, is how you replace those air ducts. I already did it on the other side. I was just doing this one side first just to have, so I can do a better job filming, but that's going to wrap this up. If you like this video, make sure you give me that thumbs up to help the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel in the bottom right hand corner. I will see you on the next one. Thanks.